Okay, so how are you guys? Welcome to my channel Selenium Tech Automation. Okay, so yesterday we have good session. So in the late night we continued. So till 2:30 a.m. in the last night. Okay, thank you so much for your support towards my channel Selenium Tech Automation. Okay, so how is your festival went today? So please let me know, guys. Okay, before starting our session, so we can wait for a few more people to join for this session so that we can start in a few minutes. Okay, so today I am going to discuss about what are the different concepts we have left it on yesterday's session. Okay, so let me open that document, so where I have written the remaining concepts to be covered for this, how much Java knowledge needed for Selenium automation testing. Okay, so we can see here we have already noted down these concepts. Okay, so now I am going to discuss about all these concepts, right? So where we have left it on yesterday evening session. Okay, so thank you so much for your love and support towards our channel, and also our videos are getting a very good response nowadays, and also our channel subscribers are increasing very little day by day. Okay, no problem. So but the main intention from my end is the topics what I'm covering here, so which will helps you a lot when you are preparing for any interviews. Okay, for automation test engineer position. Okay, so that is called a software test engineer. Okay, come on guys, if we can wait for a few more minutes to join enough people for this session. So once if you respond from the live chat to session to start the session, we can start accordingly. Okay, so no issues, we will start once enough people will reach to here, right? So before continuing, so if you have any queries about our yesterday's session, so please do let me know from the live chat so that I can reply back to you accordingly. Okay, yeah. Okay, we will wait for a few more minutes for remaining people to join for this session. Okay, yeah, we can wait for a few more minutes for a couple of people join for this session. Okay, no issues, we can wait. Yeah, anyone is available now? So as I mentioned on yesterday's session, so especially for Nanistar and one more guy, that is Ganesh Krishnaya or somebody. So sorry, but I forget your name actually. Okay, yeah, if I get response from your end, so the next minutes we will start the session. Okay, okay, no issues, we can wait for couple of minutes to remaining people join for this session. So once they will join, we will start the session for today. Okay, so today I am going to continue the remaining concepts what we have discussed on yesterday's session. Okay, so am I audible guys? Am I audible first? Am I audible or not? Yes, it's very clear. Okay, it's clear now, no issues. If you have any issues with my voice in terms of volume, and also if you are hearing any background noise, so please let me know from the live chat so I can configure it accordingly. Okay, so we will start or not, we will start at 8 p.m. Hi Shiva Mek, welcome to the channel and thank you so much for visiting the channel. Okay, so yesterday we have conducted a session, so from 11:10 p.m. till 2:30 a.m. on yesterday session. So that session got very good response, and also where I discussed lots of concepts from the concepts which are needed for to become an automation test engineer. Okay, so in this session I am going to take the continuation for our yesterday session, so where I have mentioned the remaining topics to be covered here. You can see that is string concept and these keywords, super keyword, and also what are the different kinds of exceptions, so how we can handle these exception in Java, and also there is one more concept that is called as collections. Okay, so for now I am just giving you the information how this concept will looks like. So later we will take the sessions as per our the concept, okay, along with the programmatical way, right? So if anyone not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel for more videos which will be helpful for you in your future and also in your career planning as well towards the automation testing. And also if you like our videos, so please share these videos to your friends or colleagues so that they will also learn the concepts what we are discussing currently. So thank you so much guys for your all your love and support towards the channel and towards our all of our videos. Okay, so please support the channel, and also please help me to reach 1k subscribers as soon as possible by end of this month. We are already in the month of September, which is from tomorrow. So within the September I am expecting we will continue and we will reach at least 1k subscribers. Okay, so please help me on that to achieve. Okay, within the September month only we have almost 650 subscribers now. So please let's make it happen to 1k subscribers by end of this month guys. Okay, yeah. So it is already uploaded, Shivamek. So I just share my screen. So what are the different concepts we have covered on yesterday session? Okay, give me one moment. So I will show you that concepts as well. Okay. So and also there I have clearly mentioned each and every concept. Okay, there I have clearly explained for each and every concept. Right. So here you can see. Let me open. Yeah, Java theoretical concepts what I have discussed yesterday. Okay, so first we will see one by one. So before starting the session on yesterday, I first discuss about these points. Okay, so the first point here is first learn the programming language with which the language you are comfortable with before going to choose an automation tool. Okay, before going to start your career as an automation test engineer. Okay, first we need to learn the programming language, so where we are comfortable with. So that is either Java or C sharp, we can call it as .NET or Python or Perl. Okay, so because if you want to automate any application or an application, these programming languages are mandatory. Okay, you need to must and should learn any one of the programming language what I have listed here before going to take or before going to learn any automation tool. Without having any programming language, there was no use to learn the automation tool. Okay, from any one of the institutes. That is the first line. That is the first line I have mentioned here. So then the next line what I mentioned here, once you are familiar with the chosen programming language, so then only you can take an automation testing tool course from any institute where they are offering. Okay, so once if you are familiar with any one of the chosen programming language, then only you can go and take an automation testing tool course from any institutes where they are offering the course. Okay, so that is the second point, right? So when you come to the third point here, okay, when you come to the third point, concepts required for an automation test engineer. Okay, so from here the topics where I covered on yesterday's session. Okay, the heading here is concepts required for an automation test engineer. So under that, okay, so first we need to learn some basic logical programs like to print some star patterns in the console, and also to write a program for Fibonacci series, and also to write a program for prime numbers, factorials, reverse a string, whether that string is palindrome or not, how to reverse a string with the help of a temporary variable, how to reverse a string without using any temporary variable. Okay, reversing a string with the help of string buffer, reversing a string with the help of for loop. Okay, and also we need to learn some switch case statement, that is conditional statements. Okay, so that is if condition or switch condition. So then we can move to looping statements, that is for loop or while loop or do while and for each loop. Okay, so once we are familiar with these programming language, basic programs, we can just go to the next concept, that is called data types. What are the different data types which are available in Java program language, and also what are the different types of variables are available, and also what is an access modifier, what are the different types of access modifiers we have in Java. So then what is a scanner scanner class. We need to learn the entire concept, like next line is there, next int method is there. So thereafter we can learn the string concepts. Okay, means how to create a string. So here I have clearly mentioned how to create a string. So I will cover this concept today as well. That is how we can create a string with the help of string literal and also with the help of new keyword. Okay, so thereafter why strings are immutable objects, what are the different methods available in string concept, what are the different whoops concepts, okay, in Java. Okay, whoops concept means we can consider it as a core Java. Okay, up to how much we need to know during your Selenium automation testing. Okay, so the points I have listed here, whoops concept will start from here, that is from inheritance, and also what are the different types of inheritances which are available for us, that is single inheritance, multi-level, hierarchical inheritance, multiple inheritance. So once that is done, what is our next concept, abstraction, what is an abstraction, and what is the example for that, how we can achieve abstraction. There are two ways, with the help of abstract class and also with the help of interface. And what is an encapsulation, what is polymorphism, what are the different types of polymorphisms we have in Java. Okay, what is a method overloading and method overriding, and the next concept is what is a constructor and what is a syntax for constructor. Okay, that kind of related information I have provided here. And then what are the different types of constructors. There are two types of constructors. The first one is default constructor, that is called also called as without any arguments, and parameterized constructor means with the arguments, we can call it as a parameterized constructors. So then what is our next step here. Okay, there are different ways to create an object for the constructor, that is named approach and nameless approach. What is a for each loop. Okay, what is a for each loop here, and what is the syntax for that for each loop. Okay, so these and all I have covered on yesterday session, right? So these and all I have covered on yesterday session. So now, so I am going to continue with the remaining concepts which are required for an automation test engineer, that is string concept. Now I am going to discuss. So there later we will discuss about what is this keyword and what is super keyword, and what are the different kinds of exceptions, what exactly the exception called as, and how we can handle these exceptions in Java. Okay, later we can discuss about collections. Okay, so these are all I am covering only theoretical way only, along with some small examples, but I will take some separate sessions for each and every concepts which is available in Java, that is related for an automation test engineer. Okay, for an automation test engineer, core Java concepts are enough to automate any application. Core Java concepts are enough to learn to become an automation test engineer. That's why I'm always stressing what are the necessary topics to needs to learn for an automation test engineer. Okay, so now we will start. Okay, now first we will start with the concept called as string concept. Okay, first we will start with the string concept. Okay, first we will start with the concept called string concept. Okay, okay, right, can we start? Please respond me from the live chat, guys. It is very important for me to interact with you. Please consider the same from your end as well. If you have any queries, so please let me know from the live chat. At the same time, you have to interact with me when I am taking these sessions, so then only I got to know where the people are following this session or not. Otherwise I don't know. I will keep on explaining the concepts in a sequential way. At least if I provide some time for you to interact with me, please respond from the live chat. Okay, so any other people, thank you so much, Anil Rathod, for visiting the channel. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much, Sivamek, for your confirmation. And also again, once again, I am thanking for each and everyone to become a part of this channel. Okay, and also your support is helping for our channel to grow more in terms of YouTube, and also in terms of learning the concept, and also in terms of sharing the knowledge for you people. Okay, so let's get started. Currently 6 people are watching, as you can see from the screen what I am sharing with you. Okay, okay, So I have already opened my Eclipse. So here I have already written some programs for our yesterday's session. Okay. So in the same way, so let me create one class here because of some I am not created this class properly, so that's why I'm getting some exception here. So first what I will do, let me create one package here. Okay, so that we can create classes as per our concept. Okay, what we are discussing currently. So I can mention here Java concepts. Okay, Java concepts is my package name. So let me delete this one. Okay, so now I'm going to start this session. No, let me delete this class then. Okay, instead of deleting package, we can delete this class first because it is giving some error, right? So now we will see by adding one class for this package what we have created now. So then we will discuss about the concept. First we can make ready everything. Once the topic discussion is completed, we will go to this Eclipse and we can execute some programs from here as per our discussion. Okay, so here strings I can mention here, which is having one public static void made method, and click on OK. We will see whether we are getting some error or not. No. So first we will discuss about the string concept. Okay, first we will discuss. Yeah, thank you so much Desh Karthik for visiting the channel. Thank you so much guys for your love and support towards the channel. Okay, so as I told on yesterday's session, so these topics I am going to cover now in a very clear way. Okay, because I am not going to take more time for each and every concept. Okay, it is just for letting you know people what are the different concepts which are required for an automation test engineer. Okay, whenever the time will permits for us, we will discuss each and every concept in a brief way. Okay, so now the first concept here is what? First we will discuss about string concept. Okay, that is string. So as we know already, a character data type will always allows only one single item at a time, right? As we know already, a character data type will always allows only single item at a time. Okay, so before going to discuss about this string exactly, so we need to know what is a character data type first. Okay, so let me write one line here. Char data type, if you want you can write along with me as well, which will helps you for you as well. Okay, char data type allows only single item, right? Only single item at a time. Okay, the syntax here is for character data type, how we can initialize char c equals to this one, right? This is our syntax for initializing a character data type. Then we initialized one variable for that particular char data type, right? So here in my case I want to pass some sequence of characters. For that purpose only in Java we are using string. Okay, with the help of characters data type, we can use only one single item, we can define only one single character. But if I want to pass, okay, but if I want to pass some sequence of characters, means I need to use a concept called string. Okay, so here I will come to Eclipse and I will show you the example also. Okay, it is just theoretical part, so that's why I'm writing like this. Okay, if I want to pass some sequence, okay, some sequence of characters, for that reason, for this purpose only, for this purpose, okay, for this purpose in Java we are using which one? We are using the concept called string. We are using the concept called string, right? Okay, if I want to pass some sequence of characters, for this purpose only in Java we are using a concept called string, right? So here string is nothing but a sequence of characters. Okay, as I mentioned in this line, string is nothing but a sequence of characters. String is nothing but a sequence of characters. Okay, what is the definition? String is nothing but a sequence of characters, and but we need to remember one important point here. Usually integer is a data type, character is a data type, float it is a data type, long is a data type. Okay, so likewise character is a data type. Okay, likewise we have some different kinds of data types, but we don't consider this string as a data type. It is a class first of all. Okay, make sure that string is not string is not a data type. First of all, it is a class. Okay, if interviewer will ask you about whether string is a data type or not, so you can tell him like string is not at all a data type, it is a class. Okay, string is not at all a data type, it is a class first of all, because only the only class which will accept any kind of data type means that is called as string. Okay, string can accept any kind of data type. Okay, that's the reason why we need to call this string as a class instead of data type. Okay, are you clear guys on this particular string? Hi Ganesh Krishnaya, thank you so much for visiting the channel. So here string is not at all a data type, string is a class. Okay, because only string can accept any kind of data type while defining the content or while defining the variables or anything. If I want to initialize some variable means I need to define some data type for that particular variable, right? So in the same way, if I use a string means I can pass any kind of data to that particular string. So that's the reason why we need to call it as a class instead of data type. That's the reason why string is not not at all a data type. Okay, so that's why this string we can call it as a class, it is not a data type. Okay, so this is about the definition of string. So okay, so how we can represent a string here, representation of a string. Okay, so you can see here string str equals to selenium. Okay, selenium tech automation. This we can consider it as a string. Here we can see it is accepting some sequence of characters which will includes numbers also. Okay, which will includes numbers or special characters, anything. If we keep in between two double quote means we have to consider that as a string only once we initialize variable in this way. Okay, so this is how that string particularly will looks like. Okay, so here also I created one kind of string now. Okay, there are different ways to create a string. Okay, so for that, how to create a string here? First, I am giving some theoretical content about what is a string. Okay, so later we will see what are the different concepts along with the examples from our Eclipse. Okay, first I have to clear you people what is a string exactly, so that's why I am writing down all these concepts here. You can also write down if you want, take a paper and make some note what I am discussing here, because which will helps you a lot. I am providing the whole content, okay, in terms of theoretical way. You can prepare accordingly for your reference, for your practice better, I can say. Okay, so this is how we can create a string. Okay, so and also there are different ways to create a string. Okay, so there are different ways to create a string. So first let me add some heading here, how to create a string in Java. Okay, how to create a string first we will discuss. So how to create a string, creating we can create this string with the help of two ways. Okay, we can create a string in two ways. Okay, we can create a string in two ways. The first way here is using string literal, and the second way here is using new keyword, okay, using new keyword. Yes, Yes, Anil Rathod, thank you so much for your information. Okay, okay. So here, how we can create a string? We can create a string in two ways. The first way here is with the help of string literal, and the next one here is with the help of keyword. By using of string literal concept and also by using of new keyword concept, we can create a string easily. Okay, these are the two different ways to create a string. Okay, so now we will see how we can create a string with the help of using string literal. Okay, sorry, creating creating a string using string literal. Okay, creating a string using concept called string literal. Okay, string literal is created by using of the above line what I mentioned here. This is the example syntax to create a string using of string literal. Okay, so this is how we can create a string with the help of string literal. If I create like this means this is a syntax for creating a string with the help of string literal. Okay, with the help of string literal, in this way we can create. Okay, so now here, okay, so let me move further about this creation of string using of string literal. So I just want to tell you more about this string literal creation a string. Okay, so now, right, so here, so as I mentioned here, I have already discussed about this concept on yesterday, so the same I am explaining now. I think Ganesh was already aware about this concept. Okay, because he is available on our yesterday session. Okay, so now there are four different string where I created with the help of string literal. Okay, by using of string literal I created four strings. Okay, so here string str equals to selenium I can mention for example. Okay, selenium. Okay, so now I can create one more string by taking different reference here. So now I can take till here. Okay, selenium, or I can take the same name selenium. So later I will create one more string variable the help of string str2. String str2 equals to, so this time I am taking it like selenium tech, and for the last string variable also I am taking the same like selenium tech only. Okay, so now I have created different strings here using of string literal, right? So here whenever if I execute this one, so let me show you better. Okay, public void string. Okay, public void string. Okay, okay, let me create it from here. Later we will see. One second guys, someone is knocking the door. Okay, okay, no problem. Ha. Okay, sure, no issues. I will take it forward. Ha. Okay, sure, no problem. Okay, chalo. Okay, where we are currently. Okay, let me. I don't want to create any method here. It is taking time. Okay, so again I need to create some more extra lines here. So what I will do. Okay. So here what will happen whenever I am going to create a string by using of string literal, that complete information is going to stored in some memory. That memory is called as string constant pool area. So let me open paint application here so that it will be helpful for you to understand more about this. Okay, so here I am taking one notepad application. So let me take one thing here. I will come to this point. Before that, let me make some data here. Okay, so here, so I am creating one string here. Okay, that is string str equals to selenium. Okay, string str equals to selenium. So in the same way, string str1 str2 equals to str2 equals to sorry str2 equals to okay str2 equals to selenium, right? Str2 equals to selenium. Then string str3 equals to tech. Okay, simply I am taking tech only. Later I am taking one more string that is called as str4 equals to tech. Okay, tech. Okay, so now I have created four strings using of string literal. Okay, so whenever I am going to create a string by using of string literal, this complete information, okay, this complete information is going to store it into some memory. That memory is called as constant pool area. I mean, that is called as string constant pool area. Okay, so whenever I am going to create a string with the help of by using of string literal, this complete information, okay, so this complete information whatever I created, right? So this complete information is going to store it into some memory area that is called as string constant pool area. Okay, so this complete information which will store it into one memory area that is called as string constant pool area, that is called as string constant pool area. Okay, so how it will store here we will see. Okay, we will see here how it will store. This is for first one, and this is for second one, and this is for third one. Okay, and this is for third one. Remaining we have one more string, right? So here this selenium will come and store inside this one, right? This selenium will come and store here, that is called as selenium. Okay, no problem. So once it got stored into where it will store, it will store it into string constant pool area if I created using of string literal, right? So in the same way, in the same way, in the same way, okay, so here if you can see here I have the values, I mean the strings what I defined here for two string variables, both are same. So this time what will happen, okay, this time what will happen, it will, okay, it the string object values are same, right? So here the string object values are same, that is for string str and string str2 the object values are same, right? So this string constant pool area won't create any new object, it will points to the previous reference only. Okay, so here also you can see here there are two, right? What we created, there are two, right? So this is also one selenium. Okay, this is also one selenium, that is for str2. Okay, so in this scenario the string object values are same. You can see for a string str and string str2 both the object values are same. Okay, so here this string constant pool area won't create new object, it will points to the previous reference only. It will always points to the previous reference, it is not going to create any new object. Okay, so here it will always points to the same object reference only instead of creating a new object. Okay, so these two will comes and create one object only, it won't create a new object for the new instance, that is for this one. Okay, So it is not going to create any new instance here, I mean new memory in constant pool area. It will create only one object instance for the two object values. Okay, it won't come to here, it won't come to here. Okay, so if we have the same string object values, so in constant pool area it is not going to create any new memory for the second string object value. Okay, it will always points to the previous reference, that is first one only, means it will create only one reference if there are duplicate string object values are available. Or if we create a string object variable, I mean if we create multiple strings such as duplicate string object values, but whenever it is going to store into constant pool area, right? So during that time this constant pool area will create only one object. Okay, it won't create any new object for the second duplicate selenium. Okay, it will only create one object. It will always points to the previous reference, that is the one selenium. So in the same way for tech also it is not going to create one new object, I mean new memory here. It will create only one memory under constant pool area, rather than it is going to create two. Okay, it is not going to create two object values inside the constant pool area. It will always points to the previous reference, that is first one only. Okay, this is about if we create string, I mean if we create string using of string literal. Okay, so this will happen. Actually I am not used to Java. Please put a proper timing daily live session. Seriously, we will attend the classes regularly without missing any topic. Yeah, thank you so much Akbar Baba Sheikh for visiting the channel, and also Bharat Bhushan, thank you so much for visiting my channel once again. Actually I am not used to Java. Sir, we can use Python for Selenium. Absolutely, we can use Python also here, no problem. Selenium will support any kind of language, that is programming language. We can use this Selenium along with the C# as well. We can use Selenium along with the Java as well. We can use Selenium along with the Python as well. We can use Selenium with the Perl as well. We can use Selenium with the JavaScript as well. Okay, no issues. Yes, you can use Python with Selenium also. Thank you for replying for that message, Akbar Baba Sheikh. Yes, Selenium support multiple languages like Ruby also. I forget to say Ruby also we can use. Okay, so this is how this if we create a string using of constant pool I mean using of string literal. Okay, here string constant pool area won't allows any duplicate objects, so that's where we discussed till now. It will always take only one object. If we have multiple objects, that too it will always points to the previous reference only, right? It will always points to the previous reference only, right? So let me do some program here. So let me execute. I don't know, I'm just executing. What's happening? Okay, so let me do one program here instead of this. Okay, string str equals to selenium and string str2 equals to tech. Okay, so then sys of str double equals to str2, right? So now let me do here. So here you can see I am using some equals case here, so that's why we are getting false. Okay, because these two are different. Okay, so if I mention like this, it will print you the true here. Okay, it will print you the true. Some small command I show you with the help of string literal concept. Okay, so later we will create a string with the help of new keyword. Okay, we will create a string with the help of new keyword here. So this is how we can create a string with the help of string literal concept. And now using of new keyword, using new keyword. Okay, using new keyword, right? Creating using new keyword. Okay, how we can create a string with the help of using new keyword. Okay, creating using new keyword. So here, okay, so how we can create a string with the help of new keyword means, that is string str1 equals to new string of, okay, new string of, that is selenium. Okay, that is selenium. And then let me copy and paste the same here. Okay, so let me create three strings here with, okay, that is 2, it is 3. Okay, so I'm just copying pasting here, take and take, right? So 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 now if I create like this, it will allow duplicate objects instead of checking the previous object. Okay, so if I create a string with the help of new keyword means, so where it will store all these objects into heap memory area. Okay, if I create a string using of new keyword means, that string object is going to store it into some memory here, like how we discussed about using of string literal. In the same way, the created string object is going to store it inside one memory, that is called as heap memory area. Okay, the memory name is called as heap memory area. Okay, so it will allow duplicate objects instead of checking the previous object. But if you can see here, if I create a string using of string literal means, it is not allowing the duplicate objects. But if you are creating a string using of new keyword means, it will allows the duplicate objects as well, and these objects is going to store it into one memory, that is called as heap memory. Okay, that is called as heap memory. Okay, that is called as heap memory. Okay, so let me write it down. Okay, so here I have created, right, this, it will allow duplicate. Okay, it will allow duplicate objects, it will allow duplicate objects instead of checking previous object, right? But if we created a string with the help of using string literal means, it will check the previous object, means that won't allow the duplicate values, and that created string objects are going to store it into some memory, that is called as string constant pool area. When we created a string with the help of new keyword means, it will allow the duplicate objects instead of checking the previous objects, right? And then it will store it into a memory called as string objects will stored in memory, in one memory, that is called as what? What is that memory name? That is heap memory, right? That is heap memory. Okay, means this heap memory will allow duplicate objects. Okay, this heap memory will allow the duplicate objects. Okay, so are you clear guys till here? So what is a string and how we can create a string? Yeah. Thank you so much, Ajay Kumar Chaurasia. Welcome to the channel, and thank you so much for visiting your presence to our channel. Okay, thank you so much for your valuable time spending on our session today. Okay, please continue the same, and please do support all our videos, and please share to your friends or colleagues if possible. And also please follow our channel for regular videos and also for live sessions where I am conducting now. Okay, are you clear guys up to creating a string with the help of using string literal and also with the help of using new keyword? If anyone have any questions or queries or doubts, please let me know from the live chat. I will stop till 8:35 p.m. So now the time here is 8:32 p.m. We can wait for 3 minutes to get clarification for you. Okay, please guys, please respond from the live chat so that we will continue the session. If I want you people to respond in between, I want to interact with you people so that I will get to know whether you are there or whether you are following the session. Okay, that's why I'm requesting you everyone, please respond me if I asked something to you from the live chat. It really helps me a lot on continuing this session. Okay, please let me know guys. I will wait for 3 more minutes from now. Now the time is 8:33 p.m. If you have any queries, so please let me know from the live chat. I will answer for all your questions. Okay, so let me have some water. Come on guys, please respond if you have any queries where I am going fast or where I am too slow, or if you already know these concepts. If I want to skip this concept, please let me know. If you want to skip this concept very detailed, please let me know from the live chat guys. So usually we can use to create Ajay Kumar Chaurasia, yeah, daily live class time. Actually Ajay Kumar, so I plan to conduct these sessions on weekly twice, that too Saturday and Sunday, but from couple of weeks I am continuing, I am conducting these live sessions after 7:30 p.m. on daily basis. Okay, that too it depends upon my time only. Before that only I will update you. Okay, currently I am taking the session, right? So how it will be on tomorrow, I am explaining on the end of the session on particular day, whether I am going to take the session on tomorrow or not. And also I am updating through our YouTube community post, so from there you can check. Okay, or else you can get information on the same day. For example, if I am taking session today means I will tell you whether we have session on tomorrow or not. If it is there, what is the timing for that particular session. Okay, please guys, but I will try mostly to conduct the sessions on daily basis. If not means you can expect one video from Selenium automation point of view, any concept which will help you. Okay, so any other questions guys, any other questions, let me know. We will continue with remaining concepts now. Okay, let me know from the live chat if you are okay now. Please let me know from the live chat. Okay, please let me know from the live chat if you are okay till now, or else if you have any queries, so please let me know from the live chat in that way as well. Okay, yeah, can I proceed now? I hope no one will have any questions till now. Okay, I think no one will have no more questions. Okay, if it is there, please let me know before going further. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much for responding, Ajay Kumar, and also thank you so much for each and everyone for spending your time on these sessions, which will be helpful for you if you follow me. Okay, so that's why yesterday I took the live session till 2:30 a.m. That is a sudden live session. Even I also not expected those many people will join, but yeah, many people joined on yesterday. Okay, thank you so much guys. Once again, thank you so much for your all of your support towards the sessions. Please continue the same for upcoming sessions as well. Okay, please help me on to reach at least 1k subscribers as per the YouTube standards. Please let me achieve that one. Okay, please guys, please, it will happen with the help of your support only. Okay, yeah. Okay, now we will see the examples. What are the different methods we have? Okay, till now everything is clear, I hope. So moving to the next step. So here I will tell you what are the different methods we have inside our string. Okay, because as an automation test engineer, you will get the scenario where we need to automate with the help of strings also by writing some programming language, especially for strings where you are validating your application fields. Okay, so during that time this string concept is very important. Okay, that's why I'm stressing again. Whenever you are automating our application, there are some scenarios like to validate. Okay, so during that time this string concept is very important for you. Okay, so now so now so I will discuss the different methods which are available inside our string concept one by one from now, along with some programming code here as well. Okay, so i want to I want to find out. Okay, I want to find out length of, okay, length of the string. Okay, I want to find out length of the string. Okay, so this is the scenario. I want to find out some length of the given string. So here, okay, for this we have a method. Okay, we have a method called as length. Method name is length. Okay, it will return, okay, it will return the length of the length of the length of given string. Okay, the length of given string. Okay, so this is one method that is called as length. Okay, that is called as length. And so I will first explain you all these different methods. So later I will take you to the Eclipse and I will show from there. Okay, so then I want to concatenate two strings. Okay, then I want to concatenate two different strings. How we can do? Hey, here the scenario is I want to concatenate two different strings. Means I want to add two different strings or the same strings, it doesn't matter. But my aim is to add two strings with the help of which method? With the help of concat method. Okay, I want to concat two different string, means here also we have two different approaches to perform this one. Okay, two different approaches to achieve this. Under that, okay, under this we have the first one here is, okay, under this the first one is, what is our first approach? With the help of plus operator, and the second one is with the help of method called as concat method. Okay, the help of concat method. Okay, I want to concatenate two strings, means any two strings. Okay, if I want to concatenate any two strings, there are two different approaches to achieve this. Under that, the first one is with the help of plus operator we can concatenate two different strings, and also with the help of concat method we can concatenate two different strings or any strings. Okay, so the next one here is, so the next one here is replace method. Okay, I will explain you each and every method in a clear way with the help of some sample piece of code from Eclipse. Okay, please wait for this one, guys. Okay, so then I want to replace characters on string. Okay, I want to replace characters on a given string, how we can do? Okay, how we can do? For example, there is some Java. Okay, For example, there is a string called as Java. So I want to replace this J with K. Okay, the overall output will be KAVA. Okay, the overall output will be KAVA because I want to replace this J with character called as K. So how we can do? With the help of what? Replace method. With the help of replace method, we can replace. Okay, with the help of replace method, we can replace characters on the given string. Okay, right? So this is one method, and this is one more method to concatenate two strings, and this is one more method to replace characters on a string. Okay, so then next one is if I want to replace all the characters. Okay, if I want to replace all the characters, there is one more method called as I want to replace all the characters in the given string. Okay, I want to replace all the characters in the given string. The method name here is replace all method. Okay, with the help of replace all method, we can easily replace all the characters in the given string, right? So the next method here is the next method here is right the next method here is, for example, I want to print some part of string. Okay, I want to print some part of string. How we can print? With the help of substring method. With the help of substring method, we can print some part of the string. Okay, for example, there is some string str equals to selenium space space automation. Okay, so I want to print some part only. So during this time, how we can print? We can print with the help of str dot substring of, mention the index value from where you want to print from that particular given string. Okay, you can mention that one, right? So I want to print from here. Okay, I want to print it from here, like the index value will start from here: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Consider this space also one character, that is 8. Okay, substring of 8. Okay, substring of 8. So it will print you remaining string, whatever the string we have. From here it will print. Okay, the output will be tech automation. Okay, the output will be this one. If I use substring, because I want to print some part of the given string. Okay, how we can print some part of the given string means with the help of substring method. So here we need to mention the starting index value where you want to print. Okay, from where you want to print. So in the same way we can do str dot substring of from starting index 0 comma 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so if I want to print like this means I can mention one more anything, so it will print you accordingly. Like if you mention 0 means it will start from selenium. So then what is our index value here? 7. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It will print the next one as selenium comma m. Okay, so 0 is starting from selenium, it will print. So then 7, what is our index value? 7 here coming with 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it will print m here. Okay, it will print m here, right? So this is how we can use this substring. Okay, this is how we can use this substring method. Are you there, guys? Are you there? Till now everything is clear? Please let me know from the live chat. Are you there, guys? Please let me know from the live chat. Till now everything is clear, I hope. Please respond in the live chat if everything is clear. Okay, thank you so much Ajay Kumar Chaurasia for your response. Remaining people also I am expecting. Please, if you are clear, please mention in the live chat. Till now everything is clear till substring method. If not, please let me know if you have any difficulties at any time from the live chat. Okay, so here, okay, so here there is one more method. Okay, okay, there is one more method that is called as if I want to eliminate, if I want to eliminate white spaces, if I want to eliminate white spaces before and after the given string, after the given string, if I want to eliminate white spaces before and after the given string. So how we can do? With the help of trim method. With the help of which method? With the help of trim method, we can easily remove, we can easily eliminate the white spaces. Okay, for example, here I can say like string str equals to selenium. Okay, selenium tech automation, selenium tech automation. I used here string literal, I created a string here. Okay, so now okay, so now I am printing this one, syso of str. It will print me selenium tech automation. So later I want to replace the white spaces, right? So as I told, there is a method called as trim method. Okay, there is a method called as trim method. Then the output will be, what is our output here? It will print selenium tech automation. Okay, selenium tech automation, right? Selenium tech automation. Now before and after, right? So no, it won't print like this. There is some error. Yeah, we will see. Okay, because I thought like it will, I mentioned here before and after. Okay, so we will execute for this one as well later in this video. First we will see, I will mention here some white spaces, and we will try with that scenario as well how it will print. If I mention like this, means it will print you like, it will print you selenium only. You don't see any spaces before and after the given string. Okay, so here the next one is, okay, so we will try all these example once this explanation got completed, so then we can reduce our time here as well. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, thank you so much. So here, so our next one is, so here we have different methods such as starts with method, sorry, I am typing here. Okay, you have different methods such as that is starts with, okay, starts with method and ends with method. Okay, what does these two methods will do means, okay, these two methods will do means it will return you the boolean values. Okay, it will returns the boolean. What is the return type of this one? Starts with and ends with, it will returns the boolean. Okay, it will returns the boolean value whether it is true or not. Okay, it is true or not, boolean value it will print. Okay, so for this I will tell you one example here. str dot starts with, so if I mention here yes for the given string, if that given string is starting with s, means it will print you in the console as true. Okay, output is true. If that starts with character is starting with S, okay, output will be true. If not means it will print you like false. If not, it will print value as false. Okay, it will print value as false, right? Okay, so this is about starts with. In the same way we have one more method, that is ends with. Okay, ends with also we can use in the same way. If the given string is containing, okay, the given string is contained, is ending with some n, in our case automation, right? So that's why I'm taking here n. So then it will print you the output as true if that string is ending with n. If not, it will print false, and its return type is boolean. So that's why it will print you whether it is true or false. Okay, so then if I want to compare two strings, how we can perform? Okay, so if I want to compare two strings, okay, so if I want to compare two strings means what are the different methods we have? For example, I want to compare okay, I want to compare two strings. Okay, how we can compare means, okay, the help of equals method, and also with the help of which one? Okay, this one, right? With the help of this one we can compare two strings. Okay, so under this equals method, sorry, this is not equal, it is equals. Okay, so we can compare two strings in two approaches. The first approach here is with the help of equals method, and also with the help of like this equals. Okay, so then in the equals method, okay, in the equals method we have equals and equals ignore case. Okay, in the equals method we have equals and equals ignore method. Okay, so here in the equals here also we have one more method, that is equals ignore case method. Okay, equals ignore case method, what does it will do? It will compare. Okay, it compares the string. Okay, first it will compares the string. When you come to equals method means, what does it will do? It will compares with another. Okay, it will compares with another object. Okay, we need to make some difference here. With the help of equals ignore case, what does it will do? It will compare the given two strings. At the same time, if we are using equals method means it will compares with the another object. Okay, it will compares with the another object. Here equals method consider the case. Okay, here equals method will consider the case, but if we are using equals ignore case means it won't consider the case here. Okay, so here, okay, so here I will give you the example for better understanding, that is string str equals to new string of, it is capital S here. Okay, you can mention the, you can find the difference here. What I'm writing, this Selenium string is starting with capital S. Okay, so now what I am doing here, I am creating one more string str2 equals to new string of, here it is starting with small s. Okay, so now I am going to use equals method here. Okay, now I am using here equals method, that is sys of str dot equals of what? Equals of str2. Now I am comparing with the help of equals method. So now what it will print here, if you can see here, the first string str equals to new string of, string is containing capital S. When I come to the next string str2, the string is starting with small s. So now I am comparing here, that is the help of equals. So here we have already discussed, right? It will compares with the another object. it will compares with the another object. In this case, these two strings are different, with the starting character as capital S and the next character is for next string is small s. So that's why you will get output as false, because it will also return the boolean output as true or false. Okay, boolean output as true or false. In this case, it will print false only. Okay, it will print false, because for first string starting with capital S, then the second string is starting with small s. So then we are using equals method. So here you can remember this point, it will compares with the another object. If we are using equals means it will compare with the another object. Okay, so if I use here SISO statement of str dot equals ignore case of str2. So what it will print now, it will print output as true only, because we are using here equals ignore case method. It does not matter whether the starting letter is capital S or small s. Okay, here we discussed the same, it will compares the string. But when you are using equals means it will compares with the another object, that is called as str2. And for these both return type is, it will print you the output as boolean output only, whether it is true or false. Okay, so that is about the comparison. Okay, that is about the comparison. So the next method here is, if I want to return a character at specified index value. So how we can return a specified character at specified index? So with the help of caret. Okay, I want to return character at the specified index value. I want to return a character at specified index value. How we can return a character at specified index value means with the help of caret method. And it is integer type. Okay, that is integer 0, means integer type here is 0. I am mentioning data type integer. This caret method will accept integer data type only. Okay, for example here if I mention like, okay, here if I mention like string str equals to selenium. Okay, selenium. If I want to return a character at specified index means how we can return, how we can write object reference, that is str dot caret of, you can mention the index value. If I want to return this I at specified index, we need to count. The index value starts from 0, right? S is 0, E is 1, L is 2, E is 3, N is 4, I is 5. So I can define here index as 5. Then it will print you the I value in the console. Output will be what? Output will be what? I, right? Output will be I. It will return the character at specified index. How we can return a character at specified index means with the help of caret method. Okay, output will be I. Okay, so next there are, guys, are you there? It will take substring and substring, right? I think Java language is very case sensitive. Oh, case sensitive and case insensitive is also there, so that's why we have equals ignore case. Okay, because we have different methods here, that is we can convert from lowercase to uppercase, and also we can convert from uppercase to lowercase. So here it does not matter, okay, that is case sensitive or not, right, in Java. So the next method here is to convert lowercase to uppercase, okay, and uppercase to lowercase, okay, to convert lowercase to uppercase and also uppercase to lowercase means we have two different methods. Those methods are two upper case and two lower case. Okay, these are the two different methods we have to perform this conversion, that is two uppercase and two lowercase. For example, I can take here string str equals to selenium. Okay, selenium, I can take here all are small letters, selenium. Okay, so now I am taking one more string, that is str2 equals to tech. Okay, selenium tech, right? First one is all are smalls and the next string is all are capital letters. So here I am going to perform those two methods. Those are syso of str dot to upper case, okay, and syso of, it is for the next string str2 dot to lower case, okay, to lower case. So output will be what? Output will be first it will print selenium and then it will print tech, because we are converting lowercase to uppercase for the first string. For the next string we are converting uppercase to lowercase. If we can see here, it will print the output like this. Okay, so till now any questions guys, any doubts or any queries, so please let me know from the chat. So it is taking more time even for explanation all this concept. Maybe I don't know whether I can able to complete the remaining concepts for today. If not, we will connect on tomorrow at the same time after 7:30 p.m. how we made today. Okay, sorry guys, even I am also getting some throat pain continuously speaking, right? So that's the reason why. Okay, so any questions, please let me know from the live chat. If you are there, please guys, I can wait for few minutes, either 1 or 2 minutes, to get your response from the live chat. If you have, please let me know from the live chat. So next we will see couple of methods. What are all the different methods we have inside our string concepts? Okay, please, once these methods explanation got completed, if time permits, I will show you by using of Eclipse. So that's the reason why I am showing with the help of notepad only everything, writing the some lines of code. So then we can take it on tomorrow as well, because it is not an easy task, okay, to deliver like what is what. But my intention is I want to understand for you people in a very clear and understandable way. So that's why I am writing each and every line along with the code as well. The same we can execute it from Eclipse also. If you take this one, okay, let me take one class here and we will see. Okay, and we will see here. Okay, we will see control space, do this one. So the same thing you will also get from here. Okay, no worries about on that one. Okay, if I execute, what it will print, you can see the first is small letters, you are getting capital letters. The next is capital letters, you are getting small letters. Okay, so that's why these are very small programs. So that's why I am showing you from notepad only. Okay guys, please let me know from the live chat if you are there, which will be helpful for me before proceeding further. Okay, once this string concept got completed, I will stop the session for today. We will extend it for tomorrow as well. No issues. Okay, no issues. I want make you people to understand in better way. Okay, so that's why I am showing you with each and every line by writing inside our notepad, so that you can also wrote it down when I am explaining. Okay, no need to spend more time for your interviews if you write down all the lines what I am showing here. Okay, parallelly you can note it down as well, no problem. You can prepare the same concept for your interviews. Okay, so next moving to the next method that is called as I want to convert integer data type to string data type. How we can do? Okay, we will discuss now. I want to convert integer data type to string data type. Okay, string data type or any data types to string. Okay, or any data type to string. How we can convert? We will see this topic now. Any questions, guys, so far? Please let me know from the chat. Almost we are going to end this string concept till here, so that's why I'm asking. If you have any questions, please raise in the live chat, which will be always welcome for me. Okay, I will uh, explain you if you have any queries or questions. So please ping me in the live chat. It is not only about core Java or Java concept. You can ask about automation point of view, as well as from career point of view, as well as for interviews point of view. Come on, guys, come on. Please feel free to ping in the live chat what are all the questions you have. Okay, please interact with me. Okay, so now we will see how we can convert integer data type to string data type, or how we can convert any data type to string. Okay, so for this, we have a method called as value of. Okay, for this we have a method called as value of. Okay, for this we have a method called as value of method. Okay, with the help of value of method we can convert any data type to string. At the same time we can convert integer data type to string as well. Okay, for this I will write it down from Eclipse only. Okay, so let me initialize one integer data type variable here, that is, okay, int I equals to 20. Okay, int I equals to 20. So now what I will do, string str3 equals to string dot, okay, string dot value of, okay, you can see here value of, I am converting now. Okay, value of I, right, value of I. We will see now how it will print. Let me execute. Okay, it is not printing, right? So now SYSO of, okay, now SYSO of str plus, okay, str3 plus. So now what I am doing, I will tell you at the end, str plus 40. Okay, str3, what happened? Okay, st3, right, st3 plus 40. So now what it will do, it will print you like 2040. Okay, so now we have already converted this integer data type variable to the string with the help of value of I. Okay, you can see value of integer value. Okay, then it will print you like 2040, which means we are converting integer data type to string. Okay, so let me execute. You can see here, now it will convert to what? Now it is converting from integer to, that is 20, to string. So that's why it is printing 2040. Okay, right? So it will adds the value into string. What it did here is, it will adds integer, that is 20, to that particular string, that is st3. In this way we can convert from integer value to string value. Okay, so now, so there is one more method that is called as contains method. There is one more method that is called as contains method. What it will do here, I want to verify the sequence of characters are available in the given string or not. Okay, I want to verify the sequence of characters are Okay, characters are available in the given string or not. Okay, how we can do means, with the help of how we can do, I want to verify the sequence of characters are available in the given string or not. How we can do, with the help of contains method. The help of contains method we can verify the sequence of characters are available in the given string or not. So for this, go to Eclipse. Okay, for this go to Eclipse and take one more string, that is string str4 equals to string str4 equals to string str4 equals to selenium tech. Okay, selenium tech. Okay, so after this line what I will do, I will print syso of str4 dot contains method. You can see returns true if and only if this string contains the specified sequence of character values. So here what I will mention, contains of, okay, string contains of, okay, string contains of, we need to mention whether that string or not present in the sequence of characters or not. Okay, I mentioned here that tech is available in this particular string or not. I am verifying now. Okay, let's see, it will print you the true here. Okay, it will also returns the boolean value as output saying that true. Okay, if I mention something like automation, okay, automation, what it will print, false. Here you can see it is printing the false. Okay, it is printing the false, means this automation is not present inside this sequence of characters, so that's why it is printing as false here. So for now what I will do, I will print the same. Now it will return you the true. Okay, you can see the difference here, right? So this is for contains method example. Okay, this is for contains method example. Okay, this is for contains method example. Okay, so next, what is our next step? I hope I covered everything here. Okay, so how to reverse a string with the help of string buffer and also string builder also there, and also how we can reverse a string with the help of for loop. Okay, we will see these concepts on tomorrow then. Okay, please provide some real industry level task or assignment for practice. Yeah. Hi Srinivas Shete, thank you so much. Thank you so much for visiting the channel. Okay, thank you so much for visiting the channel, Srinivas Shete. Thank you so much. And Ajay Kumar Chaurasia, please provide some real industry level task or assignment for practice. Okay, definitely I will do that one. First we need to be very clear on these, what are the basic or Java knowledge needed for automation test engineer. So I am covering this concept. Once this is done, we will take all these into consideration. Accordingly we can plan a session, no issues on that one. Whatever I am getting the questions from you guys, I am writing down it already. Okay, any other questions guys? So I will stop here now. So here you can see topics to be covered, this notepad name. So I will show you on tomorrow. Okay, I will show you on tomorrow. So as of now we used one reverse method to reverse a string, right? So in the same way, how we can reverse a string with the help of string buffer and string builder, we can see it on tomorrow. How to reverse a string with the help of okay, with the help of string buffer, string buffer and string buffer, with the help of string buffer and string builder. The following programs are very important for you guys. We will discuss these on tomorrow. Okay, as of now we see, as of now we saw how to reverse a string with the help of a reverse method. Now on tomorrow session we will see how to reverse a string with the help of string buffer and string builder methods. Okay, sorry, these are not methods, these are all classes, sorry for that. Okay, so now And the next one here is how to reverse a string with the help of, okay, how to reverse a string with the help of for loop. Okay, so without using string built-in methods such as string buffer, string builder, and as well as reverse method, without using string built-in methods, how to reverse a string. Okay, for this using of for loop, we can reverse a string. These are all programs. Okay, don't miss out on tomorrow's session. I will provide these programs as well, because these programs are very important for you during your interviews. Okay, so without using string built-in methods, how to reverse a string. String built-in methods means that is reverse method and also these classes. We are not going to use to reverse a string. We are not going to use reverse method and also string buffer and string builder to reverse a string. So apart from this, how we can reverse a string means with the help of for loop method. For loop, we can reverse a string here. And also we have one more thing is there. Okay, we have one more thing is there to reverse a string. Okay, that is a dynamic way. Okay, that is providing input from keyboard. If I provide some like Selenium means from keyboard, it will automatically reverse a string. Okay, a dynamic way to reverse a string. Okay, there is a way to reverse a string with the help of providing some input from keyboard. For example, it will ask me enter a string, so then I will enter some string with the help of keyboard, that is keys. Suppose I type from my keyboard such as Selenium means, suppose if I type from my keyboard that is Selenium, SELENEM, from my keyboard, it will print you automatically in the console as reversing of that particular Selenium. Okay, and also we can discuss about some more programs, that is string is palindrome or not, given string is palindrome or not. Okay, and one more program is there, that is I need to find out, I want to find out how many vowels, okay, how many vowels and digits and white spaces. Okay, how many vowels and digits and white spaces. I want to find out how many vowels, digits, white spaces in a given string. Okay, in a given string. So these are the different programs. Okay, these are the different programs we are going to discuss on tomorrow. Okay, so are you clear till this explanation, guys? If you have any queries, so please let me know from live chat. Okay, tomorrow we are going to see how to reverse a string with the help of string buffer and string builder classes. Later we will see without using string built-in methods such as reverse method. At the same time, we are not going to use string buffer and string builder, how we can reverse a string with the help of using a for loop, how we can reverse a string. Okay, so then there is a dynamic way where that program will ask me to provide some input from keyboard. Based upon our input, that program is going to reverse you particular string what you mentioned. So then we will see about to check whether a string is palindrome or not, to check whether the given string is palindrome or not. Then the last program here is I want to find out how many vowels and digits and white spaces present in a given string. Okay, so once completed all these programs, with this we will conclude that string concepts completed from Java point of view. Okay, with these programs we will conclude that string concepts are completed from Java point of view, and also we will see about the example for all these. Okay, like what we discussed right so far from string concept, we will see for all these examples, no issues. Okay, no issues about the programs where I am going to show you from Eclipse on tomorrow session. So once that is done, we will conclude that this string concept is completed. So later this keyword and remaining all are very small concepts. Okay, it won't take much time. Only string concept it is taking more time to explain you in better way, and also in brief way, and also in a very clear way. So later we will see what is this keyword. It won't take much time. Later we will see super keyword. It won't take much time, and also we will discuss about what are the different kinds of exceptions are available in Java. Later we will see whenever we will get an exception how we can handle, and then we will discuss about collections. Okay, collection will also take one entire session to discuss in a clear way. Okay, so don't miss out guys. I will mention here the date what I am want to cover on tomorrow. Okay, so string completed string completed, only programs are pending to discuss. Okay, so later once this is done, we will discuss this keyword, super keyword, exception, and below one, that is collections concept, which requires full session to discuss collections concept. Okay, so I am noting down everything topics to be covered on tomorrow. String completed, only programs are pending to be discussed. So later we will see this keyword, super keyword, exception handling Java. For collections which require full session to discuss collections concept. Okay, so any questions guys? We will close this session for now. So you can ask questions now, no issues. You can start asking your questions guys. So only 10 views left for the 100 views. Thank you so much for you guys. Thank you so much for visiting my channel and making our channel views with this session views to 90 views. It's really appreciable. Can you please share git URL resource for practice? Yeah, Srinivas Shetty, as of now I don't have any git URL, so but I will create one drive so where you can download all these concept in the form of zip folders. Okay, so I will add with the help of zip folder. From that zip folder you can extract directly to your local folder, so that you can get all these documents to your local folders. Then you can have a look into these sessions what I am conducting now. Okay, thank you so much for wonderful session. It was such a wonderful, it's not a real task to conduct sessions like this without you. So I am really thankful for each and everyone to be part of this session who made this very successful session. Okay, thank you so much, Ajay Kumar Chaurasia. I will consider your point saying that I mentioned right. If there is any session on tomorrow, I will tell in the same session only. Okay, in this session I am telling right, tomorrow we will have one more session about to complete the remaining concept which are required for Java. So that too we don't consider the entire Java concepts for an automation test engineer. What are the topics I covered here, that is enough for you to become an automation test engineer. Based upon your experience, you are going to opt the new skills in the form of learning the new concept from Java. If we learn now also, you may forget if you don't get the chance to work with some different kinds of scenario where you are implementing the remaining Java concept. So that's why I'm telling you again what are all the concept required. So I am covering till that part only. Okay, based upon your experience only, you will get some new concepts to learn. So at that time you can go and learn the Java concept, what are all required for you at that time. If you learn now, that is fine, but when you are trying to implement, right, so during that time you may find some difficulties because you will forget if you learn now more concepts. So that's why what are all the necessary concepts I am explaining you now. Okay, thank you so much guys, thank you so much. If you have any queries now also, please ping me in the live chat, otherwise we can close the session for now. Thank you so much guys for making this as successful session. I am really appreciating for all you people to participate in this live session. If you show this much of enthusiasm to attend for all our live session, I can spend how much time I have. Okay, so I don't leave you at any time without giving proper content which will be suitable for you. Please trust me, I don't leave you alone at any time. Okay, I don't want to leave you alone. Okay, so I am not the person like just coming and just giving some introduction and just giving some what is what concept, but I am the person where I can give you the 100% content from my end that needs to be very helpful for you while practicing or while attending for any interviews. Okay, yeah, thank you so much, Srinivas Shetty. So how you celebrated your festival today? Please let me know, guys. I want to know that output from your end. How this year Ganesh Chaturthi went from your end? Okay, please let me know from the live chat. I celebrated very well since from the last night from 4:30. I'm continuously not sleeping. In the afternoon only I took 1 or 2 hours break, so later I went to that festival area where we are celebrating. So then we enjoyed a lot along with our colleagues as well, along with our friends, along with our family members. There are many colleagues who visited to my house and I visited to their home. Okay, it's really awesome celebrations from my end this year especially. And then I have found enough time to conduct this session because I promised you people on yesterday's session we will have tomorrow session as well. So that's why I came here and I gave my content to you. Okay, my content never leave you alone at any time. If you find any difficulties before attending for an interview, please go through my channel and please explore those videos what I have uploaded. Okay, that is enough for you people to survive as an automation test engineer in upcoming days as well as in real time. Okay, so please let me know, guys, how you celebrated this year Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, please, we will close this session now. Yeah, how you manage jobs? Yes, Srinivas Shetty, because I can manage. I have already habituated my timings. Okay, my timings will starting from morning 9:30 to till 7 p.m. in the evening. Okay, after 7 p.m. I will take only break for 15 minutes. So thereafter I am conducting these sessions from 7:45 or 7:30 around. If my office working till 7:30 p.m. or 8 p.m. means I will come at 8 p.m. and then I will take the sessions for at least 1 hour per day if time permits. Okay, that is about my schedule, how I am managing the stream. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for visiting the channel and making this session very successful. I am really giving you a big bow from my end, big bow from my end in the form of salute. Okay, because I am doing much hard work, guys, in terms of my work, in terms of my channel. It is little bit difficult for me, but I don't want to leave you people. Okay, so that's why even I have my family, even they are also expecting some time, but when I'm spending time means in Saturday Sundays. Okay, I am spending time with you at least 4 hours per day. Later I will spend my time with my family members only, but remaining weekdays from Monday to Friday my time always will be with my office work only. Then if I have 1 or 2 hours I am spending with you people. After that going for dinner, having a nice sleep. That is my daily schedule. Even I can take some leaves as well. So in that case I will visit to some places. Okay, like tourism places. Okay, celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi fantastically. Yeah, I know about you people how you will celebrate. Okay, I know about you people. So are you guys are working or you are searching for jobs or how it will be? Please let me know, guys. Are you working currently or you are learning the courses or you are going for any interviews, means attending for any interviews, or how it will be? Let me know. Okay, if you don't want to reveal means you cannot tell to me, no problem, no issues. Okay, I'm just asking like
casually how it will be. Okay, so thank you so much guys, thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much. Okay, great, Srinivas Shetty, thank you for your information. Thank you so much, buddy. So I hope we'll close the session now. Yes, okay. How it will be, I am going to end the session now. It's almost 9:32. I have to take my bath and I have to take my dinner, then I'm going to sleep. Then the next morning, that is on tomorrow morning, again my busy schedule, office timings will be there, right? Thank you so much guys for your time. Thank you so much again. Yeah, I am closing this session. Have a nice day, have a nice sleep. Enjoyed a lot today with Ganesh Chaturthi festival. I think it will continue for 3 days here. Maybe in most of the cities they will continue for 7 days as well, or 9 days, based upon the uh, their what I can say, how they are celebrating every year. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Closing the session. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, thanks all. Bye.